Engineers at Penn State have developed LionGlass, a new type of glass that is 10 times more damage-resistant than regular glass. LionGlass requires significantly less energy to manufacture compared to traditional glass. The commonly used soda-lime silicate glass consumes a lot of energy and releases a large amount of carbon dioxide during production. LionGlass replaces soda ash and limestone, which release CO2 when melted, with undisclosed non-carbonate materials. The substitution of carbonates reduces direct emissions during melting and lowers required temperatures by up to 400 degrees centigrade, 720 degrees Fahrenheit, resulting in a 30% decrease in energy consumption and emissions. LionGlass exhibits crack resistance at least 10 times higher than regular glass, with samples remaining intact under a force load of 1 kilogram (2.2 pounds), compared to regular glass cracking under a load of 0.1 kilograms (0.2 pounds). LionGlass achieves its improved damage resistance through the design of its glass network at the atomic scale, enabling dissipation of externally applied energy before cracking. Thinner and lighter LionGlass products can be manufactured due to their higher strength, resulting in reduced raw material usage and energy requirements for production and transportation. The team has filed a patent for LionGlass and aims to bring it to the market in the near future. Researchers at EPFL have developed an ultra-thin active noise-canceling system using ionized air plasma propulsion instead of traditional speakers. The system can effectively block 20 Hz noise, equivalent to a 4-meter thick wall, with just a 17 mm layer. Active noise cancellation works by generating pressure waves in reverse to cancel out incoming sound waves. Plasma-based ionic speakers use an electric field to ionize ambient air into a plasma, creating positive and negative charged particles that generate pressure waves. These speakers are thin, lightweight, and responsive to voltage changes, making them highly efficient at canceling out high-frequency sounds. The researchers discovered that the plasmacoustic speakers can also effectively cancel low-frequency sounds, surpassing their previous limitations. The system absorbs 100% of incoming sound intensity and can be made as thin and light as possible, making it suitable for applications where space and weight matter, particularly at low frequencies. The technology has been licensed to Synexos, a Swiss company aiming to commercialize it for various applications, such as vehicle and aircraft cabins, office spaces, and homes. The plasma-based noise cancellation technology has the potential to significantly reduce noise and improve acoustics in different environments, providing a cost-effective and convenient solution for noise elimination. Glutamine, a fundamental nutrient found in cells, plays a crucial role in maintaining the body's cancer-destroying immune response. Cancer cells and immune cells, particularly dendritic cells (DCs), compete for glutamine within the tumor microenvironment. If cancer cells monopolize glutamine, DCs may lack the energy needed to activate T cells and fight the tumor. Supplementing glutamine into the tumor microenvironment improves DCS' ability to activate T cells and reduces tumor growth. Glutamine serves as a major signal between cancer cells and DCs in the tumor microenvironment. The discovery of the role of glutamine could enhance current cancer treatments, such as immune checkpoint blockade and adoptive cell transfer therapy. Proteins FLCN and SLC38A2 in DCs respond to glutamine and may serve as potential drug targets. Nutrients, like glutamine, could be used synergistically with checkpoint inhibitors for combination therapy in tumor treatment. Isarec has launched a Kickstarter campaign for the Plod Note, a pocket-sized device that combines a phone and audio recorder with chat as a personal assistant. The Plod Note attaches to the back of an iPhone or Android phone and features a slim aluminum body. It can instantly record calls and offers voice-to-text transcription, automated summaries, meeting notes, to-do lists, and mind maps through the Plod Phone app. The device incorporates Knowles Sonic microphones for high-quality audio and SV call solution for noise filtering. OpenAI Whisper integration enables precise time-coded transcriptions and provides summaries in just 5 seconds. The Plod Note offers 30 hours of continuous recording and 2 months of standby time, with 64 GB of storage capacity. Pledge packages start at $99 during the Kickstarter campaign and include 1 month of AI membership, with shipping expected to start in September 2023. Additional features and storage can be unlocked through a subscription, priced at $9.90 per month. Users should be aware of legal requirements regarding call recording in their respective regions. The Plod node is available for shipping worldwide. The protein clotho, known as a longevity gene, has been used to enhance the cognitive function of aging rhesus macaques. Injecting the clotho protein into the macaques improved their working memory and task completion abilities. The study involved 18 rhesus macaques aged around 65 in human equivalent years. The monkeys showed an average improvement of 6% in easy mazes and about 20% in harder tasks. After receiving clotho injections, the memory enhancement lasted at least 2 weeks. Clotho is a transmembrane protein that plays a role in aging and regulates pathways, such as phosphate levels and insulin signaling. It is naturally produced in the kidneys and depletes with age. Previous studies have shown that boosting clotho expression improved cognitive function in mice models. The research provides strong support for human clinical trials to explore the potential of clotho in extending health span and lifespan. The exact mechanisms underlying clotho's restorative abilities are still not fully understood. Printed Farms is nearing completion on what it claims to be the world's largest 3D printed building, a luxury horse barn in Florida. The single-story structure measures approximately 10,100 sq feet, 940 sqm in size. Printed Farms used a Cobod BOD2 3D printer to construct the building, which was printed in multiple sections. The 3D printed walls create a cavity and air gap that provide natural cooling to the building. Human builders are currently working on finishing the roof, installing windows and doors, and adding electrical fittings. The building is designed to withstand extreme local weather conditions, including hurricanes and tropical storms. New Jersey custom builder W. Robert Ransom is nearing completion on what he claims to be the world's first all-titanium motorcycle. The motorcycle features a Suzuki Hayabusa engine and a custom titanium frame, swing arm, exhaust, subframe, and bodywork. Titanium is known for its lightweight and high-strength properties, making it ideal for aerospace applications. Working with titanium is challenging due to its reactivity at high temperatures and its springy nature in sheet form. The motorcycle's frame has a new geometry that tilts the engine forward and lowers it in the frame. The exhaust system is a 4x2x1x2 design, with over 130 sections on the header pipes alone. The bodywork is highly curved with sharp angles, and Ransom plans to add color highlights through anodized oxidation. The motorcycle is expected to have a unique appearance and will not be painted. The project has taken thousands of hours of work, and the final machine is highly anticipated. The British Army has invested £4.6 million to equip its infantry's SA-80A3 assault rifles with the Smart Shooter Smash Smart Weapon Sight Fire Control System. The Smash Sight allows soldiers to automatically lock onto and engage micro and mini drones in flight. The sight incorporates an image processor and artificial intelligence to identify and track drones within its field of view. It paints a box around the target and enables accurate firing to increase the probability of destroying the drone. The Smash sights have been tested by the Army's Experimentation Battalion, and 225 sights will be provided to very high readiness units. By the end of the year, more Smash sights will be acquired for the rest of the British Army, Royal Navy, and RAF in the coming years. The Smash sights enhance the capabilities of close combat operators, encountering small unmanned air systems, sea-SUAS, and provide a tactical edge in sea-SUAS battles. Norwegian company reTyre has developed rubber-free tires made from eco-friendly elastomers that are claimed to be 100% recyclable. Conventional tires made of vulcanized rubber cannot be melted down and used to make new tires, but reTyre's bio-based TPEs can be fully recycled into more tires. The material is produced using advanced technology in small regional factories, reducing shipping-related CO2 emissions and costs. The production process requires up to 90% less energy compared to traditional tires. The material lasts longer than rubber and has better abrasion resistance. reTyre is seeking industry partners interested in utilizing the technology for their own tire production.